Polytrade is revolutionizing investing by tokenizing real-world assets, significantly strengthening its presence in the DeFi space with strategic partnerships like MasterCard and Polygon. By tokenizing various assets, including real estate and commodities, the Polytrade platform creates a unified marketplace for users to buy, sell, and use these assets as collateral. Unlock the future of investing with Polytrade, where real-world assets meet cutting-edge technology, and every transaction could redefine your financial landscape. Stick around until the end of this video, and we'll reveal a game-changing strategy that could skyrocket your investment potential with the Polytrade Trade Token. Trust us, you won't want to miss this exclusive insight that could transform the way you think about asset ownership. Isn't that a game-changer? With the Polytrade Trade Token, you can easily compare tokenized assets and engage in transactions seamlessly. This innovative platform aims to make the complex world of real-world assets accessible to everyone, supporting token standards like ERC-20 and ERC-721. A standout feature of Polytrade is fractionalization, allowing users to invest in portions of an asset and browse acquisitions as intuitively as on OpenSea for NFTs. Subscribe to our newsletter in the description below to be the first to discover under-the-radar altcoin gems. Click on the link in the description to join now. We publish daily updates on promising under-the-radar altcoin gems. What sets Polytrade apart is its focus on trade financing. Traditional invoice factoring can take 60 to 90 days, but Polytrade addresses this by providing liquidity against invoices, turning asset invoices into liquid cash instantly. How exciting is that? The Polytrade Trade Token is key here, as it uses advanced algorithms for asset evaluations and risk assessments, ensuring fair valuations when tokenizing. Asset suppliers and borrowers can build on chain reputations, enhancing security in transactions. The tokenomics behind Polytrade Trade makes the platform even more compelling. Trade tokens are crucial for accessing the marketplace and earning rewards, boosting creditworthiness in the Polytrade community. With a low market cap of just $25 million, Polytrade is poised for explosive growth as global interest in tokenized assets rises. Act fast, especially with multiple upcoming token unlocks that will diversify the market and indicate promising trends. Backed by MasterCard and featuring a sleek interface, the Polytrade platform is democratizing asset ownership, tapping into global asset liquidity. Are you ready to join the Polytrade movement and unlock wealth with Polytrade Trade? As interest in Polytrade price performance rises, future analysis will highlight the asset's growth potential. Keeping an eye on Polytrade trends could reveal just how high it might soar. Join our newsletter in the description to uncover altcoins before they explode. Get early access to under-the-radar altcoin gems ready to skyrocket before everyone else. Join in the link in the description. Explore options with the Polytrade Trade Coin for a diversified portfolio and engage with the Polytrade community for the latest updates. For in-depth insights, check out our comprehensive Polytrade guide and reviews to navigate the market effectively. The Polytrade review sessions will help you maximize your Polytrade trade investment while staying informed on the latest Polytrade news and updates. Don't miss your chance to experience the future of tokenized real-world assets with the Polytrade Exchange and the Polytrade Trade Token. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Polytrade analysis, insights, and updates on the Polytrade market.